Many dogs have or develop a fear of fireworks, thunderstorms, and other loud noises. You can acclimate or desensitize your pup to these unavoidable noises early on in life to help avoid such fears. In some cases, things like specialized anti-anxiety jackets and musical resources, as well as other calming aids and techniques, can be helpful. A small investment of time and money now will pay off as decreased stress and improved quality of life for both you and your dog in the long run. Should your dog ever develop such fears, be sure to speak with us about medications and other options that can help your pet cope.